Hello, I'm Dr. Joe Gennara. I'm head of the Scientific Advisory Board with XFuse, and I've had the opportunity to travel around the United States and literally around the world, and I've got the question many times in multiple places: what do XFuse products do? And I've tried to really simplify it. I'm here today with James Jamison, pharmacologist and pharmacognosist, formulator for and with our company. And what we have decided to talk about is the simplicity that our products do in the human body. And what they do is they provide raw materials to the body so the body can heal itself. And it does this through defense, through repair, through regulation, regeneration, and maintenance of health. James, you've been doing this for a long time. Tell us kind of your experience with providing the body with raw materials so the body can heal itself.
Yes, it's really interesting. So all of these substances, these food-type substances, have a molecular structure. Many are made up of many molecules: enzymes, coenzyme systems, fatty acids, protein, peptides, whatever. Hundreds of years ago, if not thousands of years ago, science has reported, miraculous effects with some of these compounds. They were used in ethnobotany as foods all over the world, and shamans and medicine men, experts at that time, their physicians at that time, had these favorite formulations. What's really kind of interesting, especially about XFuse, is the synergism. What we're looking for, like in, let's say, dietary, you can't just concentrate on one or two or a few foods. You want a balanced diet. It's the same way in nutrition, therapeutic nutrition. And XFuse, what they did, they took some powerful extracts and powerful natural type products, food type products, and they put them together that gave a synergism. What I always say is, what I like is 1 and 1 is 3 or 4, not 1 and 1 is 2. And you can do that with synergistic activities, and you can really do that with natural things because of the broad array of phytochemicals involved.
So you would say then, Jim, that not only do our products provide the raw materials, but those raw materials are actually coming from a multitude of different sources. We have not only our 7 superfoods, but multiple other extracts that give us that nutrient synergy, so we have a maximum opportunity to provide those raw materials for the maximum amount of body nourishment for healing.
Yes, and it's really interesting. It's really kind of people identify things because of television and the internet and reading and talking to their doctor and the information, the newspaper, every day the information is pouring in as far as health and prevention and all that kind of stuff. But a really good case in point is everybody probably in the audience out there knows lycopene. So lycopene, you think, well, that's one substance, and everybody knows that, probably everybody knows that lycopene comes from tomatoes. Well, almost anything of red color, any fruit or vegetable with red color, contains lycopene. And the lycopene's different. There's fat-soluble lycopene and there's water-soluble lycopene. And, and they work differently. Some will work intercellular, so, you've got to identify these activities, not saying, oh, all lycopene's alike. It's not. And it's the same way in all these nutritional things.